Isn't it wonderful? No, I'm not talking about Tesla stock, which is up 41% over the last month, 26% in the last 5 days, and surged another 62% overnight. Why would anyone play with fire, trading in and out of an extremely volatile stock that they personally believe has a huge amount of upside? I want to put this in perspective. On the 22nd of April, Tesla stock was $142.05 per share at market close. The stock's up more than $100. Let's put that in perspective. 73.5% in 2.5 months, if that. And more perspective still. In the last 12 months, it's down 12% from the all-time high, still down about 40%. And as we can see, this is not the first time we've seen extreme volatility and massive surges in Tesla stock. This is par for the course. So again, this is why I don't try and time the market. I'm looking forward 10 plus years into the future and thinking, does Tesla look like a good deal today? If yes, I buy. And the answer to that question since I began in 2016 has been hell yes, so I've just been buying. One still image shows Franz working with another Tesla designer on the interior of the Cybercab, and way off in the distance, you can kind of see silhouettes of this thing. I have to admit, it does look fairly similar to the pictures of the robotaxi that we found in Walter Isaacson's biography on Elon Musk. A lot of people thought, well, if they're comfortable putting that in the book, it's probably not finalized, or they're probably not doing anything like that. But these new images they put in this hype video, in my opinion, kind of double down on that design. They've refined it a little bit more, but with this kind of wooden structure and this updated seat design, you can tell that while it may not be a three-wheeler, this very much looks like a two-seater bench seat in my opinion. And also it's probably super cost-effective, as they hyped a lot about last year with Investor Day and bragging a lot, especially with the Cybertruck launch and their steer-by-wire systems, which you kind of have to do anyway if you're designing a vehicle without a steering wheel. But the other thing that kind of got me excited about those off-in-the-distance silhouette images was the doors actually opening a bit more like a butterfly or, falcon wing-style doors instead of traditional doors. These tend to be better and easier for getting in and out of a lower vehicle. The Tesla stock appears to be unstoppable. But what does this mean for the market and investors alike? In this video, we'll uncover the layers of Tesla's recent activities, from their impressive earnings reports to their strategic technological advancements. Why is Tesla's stock climbing despite broader market uncertainties? What moves are they making that could change the game in the electric vehicle industry? We'll explore how Tesla's commitment to innovation and expansion is not only fueling their vehicles, but also their stock value. From their advancements in autonomous driving technologies to their aggressive global expansion, we'll discuss how these elements combine to make Tesla a top contender in the tech and automotive sectors. Make sure to stick around as we dissect the key factors driving Tesla's market performance and predict where they might be headed next. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about electric automobiles, today's debate is packed with information you won't want to miss. But first, press those like and subscribe buttons to get started. Welcome to Tesla Stock News. First off, Tesla's earnings predictions are getting a bit of an adjustment for 2024. We're looking at roughly $2.60 per share, a tiny decline from the earlier $2.70. And for 2025, the estimates are hovering between $3 and $5. It's a bit of a mixed bag, but here's where it gets fascinating. Tesla isn't simply about selling vehicles anymore. They've got ambitions for a robotaxi service and other new business lines that may really mess things up. This has investors thinking it might be time to reevaluate or reprice Tesla's stock. Think about it. If Tesla nails this, its stock may soar just like we've seen with tech giants in the past. Now onto something they're dubbing the Great Repricing. This sounds like a major deal, and it is. Tesla's stock has been on a bit of a downward trend for the previous couple of years, but if it breaks through this slump, we could see a huge shift in stock prices. It's like when a runner bursts through that wall during a marathon. It's a game changer. Similar things have happened with Meta and Nvidia, and it appears that Tesla may now be the next big thing. Not to mention the impending triggers that might help Tesla advance even further. The cybercabs debut, possible supervised driving permit approvals, and certain agreements that would allow. Well, let's now discuss Tesla's AI technology and its potential impact on the company's future profits. It's fairly obvious that Tesla is in a different category when you look at what their AI is accomplishing compared to other businesses. But why should we give a damn? Whether you're considering investing or are simply interested in the direction that technology is taking, knowing this kind of information, such as how their AI compares and what it can mean for their earnings, helps us make better judgments. Now let's move on to something truly fascinating: robotaxis. Consider this. Tesla has the potential to deploy 1 million robotaxis. Doesn't that sound like a lot? It may generate operational profits of roughly $77 billion. In contrast to the $8.1 billion they earned in the previous 12 months, it is a significant amount. The robotaxi game has real money, but money isn't everything. How much value these robotaxis will generate over time and how that impacts stock value is the real question. It's similar to estimating a gold mine's value before you've extracted the first nugget. It gets much hotter from here. There may be a chance to profit from an arbitrage in the current valuation of Tesla. All of Tesla's businesses may start making a lot more money with all of this discussion about AI and robotaxis. We are discussing an increase in operating income per unit from $3,000 to $330,000. Yes, you heard correctly. The perception of Tesla is more important here than the money. Tesla's stock performance may really take off as people's attitudes change and they begin to view the company more as a tech giant than just an automaker. When might the stock of Tesla undergo a significant change, then? Well, some things must coincide. We're discussing innovation, the length of time you're willing to hold onto your stock, and the market's response to all of this information. It's comparable to what occurred to Nvidia when they changed their focus and had a sharp increase in stock price. We might witness a similar response if Tesla continues to advance its technology. Let's now zoom out to examine Tesla's whole situation. Nowadays, Tesla is more than just a car manufacturer. They have a lot more pies in their pockets. It's evident that Tesla may even be out-innovating them when compared to a tech behemoth like Nvidia. For us, what does that mean? Well, Tesla is a special beast on the stock market because of its wide range of products, which include solar panels, electric cars, and potentially revolutionary batteries. Tesla is the ideal firm if you're searching for one that is simultaneously pushing the boundaries of multiple industries. Here's some advice you may hear frequently, though. Relax, watch, learn, and keep yourself updated for the great repricing. Why? Because until interest rates decline, Tesla's stock may not see significant movements. High rates can limit people's ability to invest in equities and purchase new technology, like electric cars. Therefore, pay close attention to such rates and market incentives. And there might be a significant reward for those of you who have the patience of a saint. Indeed, the current state of interest rates makes things appear rather precarious, but keep in mind that businesses like Tesla are focused on the future rather than the present. Their full self-driving technology is one of their upcoming innovations that has the potential to significantly increase their worth. It all comes down to long-term planning. What is influencing the current price of Tesla's stock? Tesla's recent stock split and the software company's explosive growth have created quite a stir. This type of action can generate a lot of conversation and occasionally even raise the stock price. It's like a hype train that everyone wants to board, even if the underlying financials aren't very strong. Now, what role does the state of the economy as a whole play in this? It appears that changes in interest rates and earnings have a direct impact on Tesla's stock performance. Consider last year, when Tesla's stock price practically quadrupled when interest rates were between 4.2% and 4.7%. It's similar to a magic recipe that combines some market story with the intervention of major participants, or whales, to significantly change the direction of the stock. Additionally, there is the issue of autonomy. Autonomy seems to be the undiscovered treasure that Tesla's stock does not yet fully reflect. If you require any other changes, please let me know.